Hello guys! We're gonna be doing the bunny eating challenge.
Chubby bunny challenge. Chubby bunny challenge. Say it.
Okay.
No. Chubby.
Chubby bunny challenge.
Yeah.
My beloved sister's gonna do the explanation.
Okay.
Because she's gonna cheat.
So we have prepared a bowl of normal marshmallows and a bowl of little, like small marshmallows, and basically, like, we have to take turns putting one in our mouth and saying Chubby Bunny. But for him, since his mouth is bigger, as you can see, one of the normal ones and one of the smaller ones would count as one for him, and only one of this would count one.
Okay.
Start. Who would go first? Okay.
Start the bunny eating challenge. Okay.
Rock,
paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. The loser is gonna eat
First.
Okay.
What? Wait.
And
Wait.
We can't chew it.
Yeah, we're not gonna chew it. We're gonna swallow it. Punishment.
We're gonna eat bird seeds if we lose. Yes, bird seeds without water.
How many pieces?
Probably like.
No way.
Yeah.
No.
They're so little.
It's a bird seed.
When you guys see it, you're gonna say it's.
Chubby bunny. She's losing already. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. She's having a hard time now. No, I'm not gonna lose it. You're losing. I'm better than you.
Don't laugh. Don't laugh.
Why? Chubby bunny.
Swallowing it too. That's twice as much. Okay. 1.5 as much.
No.
See, she's swallowing it now.
No, I'm not.
You gotta keep now. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. Should I put it? No. Put it everywhere you want. Just up to your nose. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny. Not the rules for the bird seeds. I don't want to eat bird seeds. You're gonna eat it. No, I won't. Yeah. In case you lose. In case I don't lose. Chubby bunny. Chubby bunny.
I love.
This smells like insecticide. Oh gosh.
You lost.
I win!
You lost.
You spread it out first. Yeah, time to get the bird seeds.
Let's search if it's healthy.
I'm pretty sure it's safe if birds eat it.
Where's the bird seed?
I don't know.
I'm safe. I'm safe.
Nope. I'm gonna search. Ow. Okay, we're back. It's time for him to eat at least
One
like
piece.
not one piece. You have to eat it without. I get to choose how much.
Not much.
I'll put it in his hands.
Can eat all now.
Hey,
What?
you lost one. You blew it off. I'm watching you. Get eat it all. Let me see if your hand's clear. Okay, good.
I'm a bird now. Why do birds eat this?
I don't know.
It doesn't taste anything.
I don't like the consistency when I ate it. It's like the peanut shells crushed.
It tastes like shells. Yeah, some sort of shells being crushed.
Yeah. Because when you smush it, it actually kind of has a shell.
But if you have nothing to eat, you could eat bird seeds. It's like, it doesn't taste much, but you could eat it. It's cheap actually. Oh wait, we don't know if it's actually edible. You should not try this at home, kids. We're not sure. Ask your parents.
Yeah. You don't probably have bird seeds in your home available.
If my stomach hurts, I'm gonna say it on my next video.
That's the Chubby Bunny challenge, and I
Chubby.
won, and he got to eat those delicious bird seeds.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like, what's it here? And subscribe. Please.
And follow us on our social medias, which will be linked below. Okay,
Bye, guys.
bye.